Hi, this is Derek from Boise Cylinder Head Services. Today we're going to be doing some bolt extractions on a Chevy Tahoe 2004 cylinder head. We got a broken off exhaust stud here and another one over here. And we also got one on this 95 Honda 2.2 liter. It's blackened up right there. We're going to extract all three of these by welding them. We're just going to weld onto them a little blob and weld one of these nuts onto it, and then that should be sufficient to take it out. But yeah, we're going to start up our welder, turn on our gas, make sure our settings are correct. Always have safety equipment. I'm going to wear my gloves this time. It's a little hot, so I'm going to turn it down a little bit. That should do. Alrighty. We got to make sure we got to put our ground on. Get a good solid ground, or else won't even be able to weld. Clip our little wire off for a clean contact there. And then we're going to weld onto this thing.
Gloves?
Oh, gloves. Always use protective equipment. Burned some holes in my hand that could have avoided if I used gloves. So, all right, here we go. All right, now that I got a blob exposed up above the aluminum, it should be easy to weld this nut onto. Got a solid contact there, so this should weld on and come right out. It kind of moved on me a little bit, but it should be all right. Glowing red hot, just how we like it. All right, here's the next one. All right, now that we got that one, I'm gonna set this one aside and let it cool down. We'll clean up and weld the other one and let it cool down as well. This one has a lot of soot from the exhaust blowing by it on there. So we need to clean up our contact area. We got a little wire brush on the drill. That'll clean that up. Yeah, nice and shiny. It'll give us good contact. I'm going to clip my wire again here. Make sure we have a nice clean contact. I did have a little spark jump up and land on my arm there. That hurt. All right, here we go. All right. Put our nut on there. We'll weld that to it. Ooh, nice and toasty. The heat kind of helps the aluminum to expand at a higher rate than the steel or the stud, and so as it cools, the aluminum expands, and it should give us a little bit of space in between the stud and the aluminum, which also helps us to extract it. I'm going to go ahead and set this thing down, let it cool off as well. while we pull out the two from the Tahoe head. We got a little tiny ratchet set here that would keep over here just for this. All right. It does kind of, sometimes it'll damage the outside or the top edge of the stud insert hole, the thread hole, and but we got good threads on the bottom of this thing, and it just cleans it right up. So, I mean, we'll maybe hit that with a wire brush just to clean it up a little bit, but new bolt will go right in there, no problem. The second one, oh yeah, these are coming out easy. We're living good. Ooh. Alrighty. As you can see, the threads are still in there. Nice, clean and shiny. Cleany. But yeah, that was sweet. I love when it comes out that easily. Let's hope this Honda does the same thing. Sweet. That's legit. Just came right out. There you have it. 3 broken off studs extracted. That went really swell. All right, thank you for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to click the subscribe and like button and our bell notification button so you can get all our notifications. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's all in your head.